What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and this is Arie.
Hello.
And today, you know what time it is. We've got another shopping challenge. This time we are doing it in B&H.
And shout out to B&H for sponsoring today's video and letting us film in the store.
Ooh,
this place is massive.
There's a lot of store here to shoot in, guys. And we're lucky because B&H is in New York and it's close to us. But if you don't live here, you could always check out their site, which has a ton of tech. And they usually have some pretty good sales too, so I'll be sure to link them down below in the description. Anyway, 25 minutes to find some really awesome tech. We're gonna have a limit of $1,000, and we have to have a theme. So the items that we pick up have to have synergy. They have to work well together. Yes. We'll pick our own theme. You guys let us know what you think works best, who got the better haul, and go. All right, guys, so we got a lot to choose from. Got some headphones over here. We gotta find a backpack. A backpack always seals the deal, so I'm gonna find a really good one. I happen to know where they are. So let's go over here and see if we got something that I haven't seen before.
So we're in the Apple section. With $1,000, how could I not pick up an Apple product? So let's see, maybe it has to be used though. No. But do you guys sell used Apple products here?
Upstairs.
Upstairs, that's where I should be. Thank you.
Wow, so having $1,000 feels crazy because it gives you so much room to work with. What's this bag though? This bag looks kind of cool. Does it have a lot of compartments? Oh, a little hold on. Oh, this is for clothing. Would have been nice to make like a tech survival kit within the backpack. Oh, there's a lot of cool stuff in here. What brand is this? Low Pro, okay.
So B&H, it's called B&H Photo and Video, but it's more than just a place where you get photography equipment and videography equipment. You can get actual really cool tech here as well. So my thought for my theme, I think I'm gonna create like a beginner's equipment like backpack or something for people who want to like start with like video or like maybe making a nice cool Instagram.
Maybe I will do like a tech survival kind of thing where I have all of the essentials inside of here. So no matter what's going on in your day, you have everything you need to cover all your bases.
So here are my thoughts. My thoughts are something like an iPad to edit on, and I think a Rode mic would be really, really cool too because it's kind of cheap. Well, budget, you know. But yeah, we're gonna try to find something like that.
Okay, a hard drive, 2 terabytes, Western Digital, for only $61. That is a really good price. And a case, just to be safe. Oh, this is too much budget. This is too much budget. I'm gonna crush this.
I don't even remember if I pressed start on my timer. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, I did. So if I want to create like a beginner's YouTuber guide or like a beginner's like Instagram guide, I would need like a cheap mic, well, a budget mic, and something to edit on. And honestly, I'm kind of like stuck after that. I really don't know what to do beyond that, but we will figure it out as we go along. Ooh, a tripod. Yes, like something for your smartphone, because beginners would definitely not like buy a full crazy camera. You can use your smartphone and get away with that for now, like to start with. So we'll use our smartphone and get a tripod for our smartphone.
I want to cover all bases for maybe like your laptop and your cell phone. Yeah. Those are the main 2 pieces of tech people take around with them. So let's make sure you're fully equipped with those. This
is like a selfie stick and mini tripod. I know selfie sticks make people have like really strong reactions, but I'm just gonna hold on to this until I find something better. All right, now we need to find the Rode mic. What I like is that even though it's like a really big store, it's organized. Like you have your tripods and your plethora of tripods here, and you kind of know you're in the camera department. So I need to keep on moving, stay in this department to find the mic.
Cool. Imagine if I got a laptop too. Okay, so B&H has a ton, like they have pretty much everything you need, laptops, monitors, but I want to see if they have like a specific section for affordable laptops. Okay. All right, guys, so I'm looking for a budget laptop. I've got my buddy Greg over here who's in the computer section. I'm looking for a nice budget-friendly laptop.
Budget-friendly laptop.
Yeah, you guys have like a section or?
Well, we do actually have the expert pick section over here.
All right.
Oh, you know what would be good also? Getting a portable charger. If you're using your smartphone for all of your video, you might need to be able to juice it up. So let's find a portable charger as well. Keep that on my mind. It's a dead end. Let's go.
Okay, I like this guy over here.
Guy?
Yeah. So it's got Radeon graphics, AMD processor inside of it.
Yeah, now mind you, the graphics on this is integrated.
Okay, so it's not even dedicated.
So it's not
okay.
dedicated, it's integrated. So it's going to borrow from this memory, this main system memory, to do whatever you need to do on an extra portion of it.
I actually think this idea is pretty good. I think I might win this one. Like, guys, don't be biased. I know you love him, but like, vote for who's better. Okay, let's try to find a used iPad here. Doubt it. I'm doubtful. This video is nothing without the iPad. I need the iPad.
All right, guys, so we've got a little less than 9 minutes left on the clock. I don't know, I haven't seen Arie at all, but there's still so much store to look at.
Do you guys happen to have used iPads? 2018 iPads? Yeah. Okay, can I have your cheapest one? Fingers crossed that we can find one that's like $700 or less. Or less.
Now what's cool is whether you're ordering something from the site or maybe you're getting something from behind the shelf, you can have it all go to one cart. And you see this little conveyor belt? There are actually a bunch of carts that just fly through here throughout the entire store, picking up your items, and it takes it all to checkout, which is just the craziest system I've ever seen for any store. It is really cool to look at. So let's see how much time we've got left. 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes. What?
All right, so at this point we're at $750. But we just added on some headphones. I think we're good, guys. I think we're good.
Is the timer up already? What? All right, guys, so I'm like severely under budget. Man, $1,000 is a lot to spend in just this short amount of time when you have to be really thoughtful about each thing you're picking up. So Arie should be around here somewhere, but she's a cheater, so she might still be looking around. All right, guys, so Arie was actually just getting help, but I think we both agree we need at least 5 more minutes.
Yes.
Since I'm like severely under budget right now.
Are you really?
I am.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we need 5 more minutes. I think we can mutually agree to that.
Yes, we'll shake on it.
Yes, 5 more minutes, we're good.
All right, let's do this.
I was being kind to Jed. I didn't need that extra 5 minutes. I'm just gonna give it to him. Let's go online. So what I got is $750. So I have $250 that I can afford in this. So might have to take some stuff away. Sees Malcolm's fault. He told me to ball out.
I think we got a solid haul here. Should pretty much have everything you need when leaving somewhere. I don't know. I think it's all right. One of the best things about B&H, guys, they have these little candies over here. They always say you can take as much as you want, and I'm still scared whenever I go for one, but they're so good. $9.97. Okay, let's go with that. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but those conveyor belts right here, those are what go all around the store so that at the end, you can get the items that you picked up.
I think I'm gonna win. I hope I win. I hope you guys vote based on who has the best overall package over who you like the most.
Yo.
Are you guys done?
I'm done.
Okay.
All right, guys, we are back. How you feeling?
I feel good, but I always feel good and I always lose, so it doesn't matter how I feel. How do you feel?
Champ, honestly, I don't know. We'll see though, we'll see. But I am happy to say I am under budget.
So am I.
$997.30.
Nice, $991.27.
$991.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job. This is the first time I think both of us
did pretty well with the budget, right?
Yeah. But we were like, no, we're not spending more than $1,000.
Yeah, that's a lot of money. I guess we'll go one at a time.
Yes.
And show everything that we've got, talk about our theme, and then you guys can kind of decide who did a better job at sticking to their theme.
Cool.
Who else?
Or who has like a really cool theme.
That too.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to go first?
Yes. So my theme was all about the beginning creator. So people at the early stages of their creative careers. You know, if you want to be a YouTuber, if you want to be an Instagrammer, people do some really cool things with Instagram these days. So my thought is that you would be capturing most of your content with your phone. And to go with that, would be a tripod or a selfie, like, which is a tripod and selfie stick. I know selfie sticks are like
super dead.
like 2016.
That's like real 2016.
But it's helpful. Like, we can't deny the fact that it's helpful if you are a one-man team. Not everybody's fancy like you, Jed, with all these people here. And then to go with that, since you are capturing content with your phone, we got a shotgun mic that goes right into your phone. So it's by Rode, and I know this because Jed has featured these before, and he like has talked about the good quality of them. So it's a Rode video mic, but they had lightning in 3.5 millimeter, and I feel like this kind of, you know, would be more useful for more people. The reason why this works is because you can also capture content on drum roll. Oh, Malcolm came to the drum roll.
No drum roll for you.
But on an iPad.
How much is this? How much you spent on this one? This is used.
Yes.
Okay.
So I
you made it work for your budget.
Yeah, I took advantage of the used department. So I think it was $501.
Really?
It was
iPad Pro, 64.
$507. So it's an iPad Pro, 64 gig. It's 2018. And Wi-Fi. So you can capture some content, like if you want to do your audio or whatever, you can do that from there. Anyway, I got it mainly for your video editing. So you can be able to video edit on this. You record audio with this, and you can set up your camera on a tripod or do it selfie style. And then to make it easier to edit and stuff, I got this. So it's a keyboard and holder for the iPad.
This is from who, Logitech?
Yeah, and a lot of people have been doing really cool stuff like using LumaForge or even iMovie. If you're at the beginning stages of your career, you know, this is good to use to start off with. And then again, if you're going to be using your phone to capture most of your content, you need a proper charger, right? So like if you're going to be burning through your battery, and this is a 10,000 milliamp hour quick charger from Anker. I also got just a little bag to keep everything all together.
Oh, this is that brand. Okay.
What brand? I don't know what brand he's talking about.
I mean, I just discovered them today in B&H.
Interrupting mine.
All right, go on.
Okay.
Go on.
So
see, I'm giving you a little credit here. I'll take it back.
So you also have the bag where you can put in all the stuff to take with you. Okay, so you have your cover here, and then you can add all the rest of these things to go in your bag. And then when you're editing, I for one like to have a lot of focus while I'm editing, so you have a pair of headphones. At B&H, the guy recommended these. These are really good studio headphones. $80 by Sony.
Are these the monitor? Yeah, these are legit.
Yeah, he said like you'll never go into a studio and not find these, like a legitimate
we
studio.
have one too.
And as my very last item, because you'll be doing all of your editing on your iPad with your little thing, is expandable storage. So it's 64 gigs, and this one works specifically for iPad, iPhone, so you can be able to transfer your stuff between them.
64 gigs, so you have an additional 64.
Mm-hmm. And so I think as a complete package, if you're someone just starting, I think this is really good because you can use an iPad for more than just video editing. You can use it for your, your media consumption, everything. I think this is a really nice package for someone just starting out.
All right. Let me show you guys all brand new stuff. All right. Well, for me, my theme, you guys know me. I like to be prepared for every situation, and so that's pretty much how I themed my haul here. This is a really, really nice backpack. I was actually extremely surprised when I came across it. Lots of compartments, lots of storage, lots of space to hold things. And because we're gonna be carrying around so many different things, I figured this would be perfect to have around just so that you can take everything with you on the go. All right, I should just hit you with the big guns right now.
Go ahead, I don't care.
So I got me a laptop, a full-blown laptop from Lenovo.
Nice.
This has an AMD Ryzen 3 2200, 2.5 gigahertz, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of solid state storage, and it's only $450. Look at that. This thing is clean.
Plastic.
Metal chassis,
That's
baby.
not metal.
This is metal.
It does not feel it. It must be the lowest grade possible.
No, it is absolutely metal. Look at the ports. Has an HDMI, USB, it even has USB-C, as well as a headphone jack, another USB-C, and another micro SD card over here, and a micro SD card on this side. Now, of course, since this has a USB-C port, I figured why not get a dongle here. So if you want to add more USB ports, you can do that. It has a micro SD card slot as well as a regular SD card, HDMI. So you can have multiple monitors hooked up to this guy. We also went for a 2 terabyte storage drive. Yeah, but you didn't.
It can't work with the iPad, so I got something else instead.
The iPad, limiting. But you got yourself a 2 terabyte hard drive over here from Western Digital. So you get even more storage on this guy, even though it has a solid state. Add some more storage over here. All right, so right here we've got the Logitech G502 Hero Edition. So you got one of the best mice out there. All right, so we got a portable charger here. It also has wireless charging built into it, so you don't need to walk around with a cable. So we have that.
Did we get that something like that last time, guys? Go ahead.
Anyway, we also got this really cool accessory called the Grip It Pad. So if you happen to have one of these wireless charging portable chargers, or even your solid or your hard drive, what's cool about this is that you can attach it to it, and when you place it on the desk, it's not gonna, you don't have to worry about it sliding off. Maybe somebody bumps into it or something. This thing is gonna grip onto it so that it doesn't move around, keeps your stuff nice and safe. I also got a little lightning cable here from Ventive. This one is actually really durable. Figured why not? You wanna make sure you have everything you need with you. That's the whole idea here. Had to be able to get some music listening in as well. So we got JBL's free earbuds. So these are truly wireless earbuds over here. Now what I like about these is that they're not just like the weird designs. These can fit nicely inside of your ear. So it's gonna be very comfortable. You get truly wireless music. And we even got this right here. This is a shutter add-on for your smartphone.
Oh, cool. I should have gotten that.
You should have. This is actually really nice.
Nicely.
So this is really cool because you just add it onto your smartphone and you can press this button to capture your content. It's actually really nice if you want to take selfies because it makes it so much easier to just hold onto it. Go like this, move around with it, talk, whatever, do what you got to do. And I think that's it. So I think people will rather walk away with this than what you've got going on over there.
But that wasn't the challenge. The challenge was to have something that was a creative idea,
essentials.
a creative theme,
It was a
and with
theme.
great execution.
Let us know what you guys think. Is it Team Judd or Team UAC or Team Arie? I think this is an easy one. I was worried, but for no reason. What do you guys think? Let us know. But till the next video, guys, B&H, thank you for letting us use your store to find all of these goodies and for sponsoring today's video.
It was so much fun. It was so much fun just like running around.
I couldn't even see the whole store.
Yeah.
We needed this to be longer.
Yeah.
But till the next video, guys, hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace. Woo! I ain't worried.